Got you down? Forget the pills and syrups. I've got a surprising solution that'll have you breathing easy in no time. Picture this. You're scrolling through the grocery store looking for relief, and bam! The answer's been right under your nose. Pineapple juice. Yeah, you heard me right. This tropical treat isn't just for pina coladas. It's packed with a secret weapon called bromelain. This powerhouse breaks up mucus, reduces inflammation, and tackles those pesky cold symptoms like a champ. Sore throat, gone. Runny nose, see ya. Stuffed sinuses, not anymore. So next time you're feeling under the weather, ditch the medicine cabinet and grab some pineapple juice instead. Your taste buds and your health will thank you. Trust me, it's a game changer.